Introducing SG Diagnostics Covid-19 Antigen Rapid Test, a practical self-administered test kit to detect the presence of SARS-CoV-2. The kit has everything you need: quick, portable and accurate. You get instant results within 10 minutes, have the flexibility to choose from 2 sample collection methods, and it's all done in 4 simple steps. We'll show you how. Before conducting the test, wash your hands thoroughly, unpack the kit on a clean and even surface, and read the instruction manual carefully. Step 1. Open the sterilized swab according to the instructions printed on the swab package. Do not touch the swab tip. Step 2. Collect the sample. Choose your preferred sample collection method of either the nasal or throat swab. For best results, use a mirror when conducting the test. For nasal sample collection, insert the swab about 2.5 centimeters into the nostril and rotate the swab 5 times. Repeat the process in the other nostril and withdraw. For throat sample collection, open your mouth wide and stick out your tongue. Try to swipe the soft tip of the swab across the very back of your tongue, close to your tonsils at least 5 times. After the sample is collected, remove the white cap from the elution tube and insert the swab into it. Roll the swab at least 10 times while pressing the swab tip against the bottom and side of the elution tube. Squeeze or press the swab against the side of the tube to remove as much liquid as possible, then dispose the swab. Cover the elution tube tightly with the nozzle connected to the tube. Step 3. Open the test cassette package and lay it flat. Add 4 drops of the test sample into the sample well and wait for the colored band to appear. Step 4. The result will be ready within 10 minutes. Do not interpret the results after 15 minutes. On the cassette, if only the control line appears, then the result is negative. If 2 horizontal lines appear in both the C and T regions, then the result is positive. Even if the T line is faint, it should still be interpreted as a positive result. The control line represents a valid result and should always appear. If it doesn't, then the test is invalid and you should repeat the test with a new test cassette. It's as simple as this. For more information about SG Diagnostics products, please check out our website at www.sgdiagnostics.com.